We were expecting to see the Redmi Note 7 launch in India today, but in a surprising turn of events, Xiaomi did the global launch of the Redmi Note 7 Pro at the same event. Let's take a closer look at both phones. Starting with the Redmi Note 7 Pro, it comes with a 6.3-inch Full HD Plus screen with a 19.5:9 aspect ratio and water drop style notch, which Xiaomi refers to as dot notch. Both front and back of the phone are covered by 2.5D curved Gorilla Glass 5 for added durability. The smartphone is powered by an octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 675 SoC coupled with 4GB and 6GB of RAM options. Storage options include 64GB and 128GB, which is expandable up to an additional 256GB with a micro SD card. The Redmi Note 7 Pro packs a dual camera setup on the back that includes a 48-megapixel primary sensor and a 5-megapixel secondary depth sensor. The company has also added a number of AI-powered features in the camera app of the phone, including AI scene detection, AI portrait 2.0 and night mode. Additionally, there's a 13-megapixel front shooter on the phone, as well as support for 4K video recording on the rear camera. The phone runs on Android Pie based MIUI 10, and the company says that it has added enhanced system optimizations in the Redmi Note 7 Pro, which Xiaomi claims provide 10% faster system responsiveness. It has also included a 4000 mAh battery with Quick Charge 4.0 support in the phone. Further, you'll get a rear fingerprint sensor, USB Type-C port, 3.5mm audio jack, and hybrid dual SIM support. Xiaomi has priced the Redmi Note 7 Pro starting at 13,999 rupees for the 4GB and 64GB variants, while the 6GB and 128GB version will be offered at 16,999 rupees. It will be available starting March 13 in 3 colors: Neptune Blue, Nebula Red, and Space Black. The first 2 color variants come with a gradient finish on the back. Moving on to Redmi Note 7, it sports the same 6.3-inch Full HD Plus display as the Note 7 Pro. It's powered by an octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 SoC and packs RAM options of 3GB and 4GB. It also includes 32GB and 64GB of inbuilt storage, which again can be expanded via a micro SD card. It runs on Android 9 Pie with MIUI 10 on top. The Redmi Note 7 also comes with a 4000 mAh battery with Quick Charge 4.0 support, rear fingerprint sensor, USB Type-C port, 3.5mm audio jack, and hybrid dual SIM support. The rear dual camera setup on the Redmi Note 7 houses a primary 12-megapixel sensor with a secondary 2-megapixel depth sensor. There's a 13-megapixel front shooter on board as well. All the AI enhancements from the Redmi Note 7 Pro are present here as well. Xiaomi has priced the Redmi Note 7 at 9,999 rupees for the 3GB 32GB version. The 4GB 64GB version will carry a price tag of 11,999 rupees. It will be available starting 6th March in 3 colors: Onyx Black, Ruby Red, and Sapphire Blue. Xiaomi has a number of launch offers on the phone, which we have covered in detail on gadgets360.com, so be sure to check that out. Do you love technology? Well, then subscribe to us and click the bell icon so you do not miss out when we have a new video for you. Thanks for watching, and for all things tech, do log on to gadgets360.com.